It's incredible. Thank you guys.
Absolutely. Well, well, well. It is done. Mark's Impala is officially ready. There's Vince. Helped me with detailing it. So the plan was Vince and I, my wife, Kara, was going to go up to the airport, pick up Mark. Vince and I were going to be halfway between the airport and here, about 20, 25 minutes away, and be at a park. She was going to say she had to come see us to pick up myself and my son because we're fishing for a birthday party. Anyway, you can see that weather out there. It started pouring down rain. So here we sit.
We don't go in no rain.
I don't know.
I mean, I drive in it, but
Yeah,
that thing's clean.
We put a lot of work into cleaning it. I mean, we didn't do a crazy detail, but I don't know, if windows leak, any of that type of stuff. So, plan is, well, you'll see what the plan is. We don't need to tell you about it. But here she is, all good. Let's check out the interior. I mean, we didn't go crazy with detailing, but you guys saw from the other videos how dusty it was before. There it is. We can put Mark's wheels back on it. But the goal was, with these wheels, was to make it not look like his Impala. So when he came to meet us, or for my wife to meet us, he'd be like, oh man, that's a cool Impala pulling up. Not even know it was his. Anyway, we are going to now, instead of going halfway to the airport, Vince and I are doing this.
We stole the light button.
That's Mark's wireless light switch for in here. Ooh.
So we're gonna wait for him to come to the house. We position the car under the lights, kind of like the TV shows do, to show the lines, right? And we left one little light on over there. You can kind of see it. So we'll have the lights off like this, so that when he comes in and the door's shut, not gonna see nothing, not gonna be able to turn the lights on because I got the light switch. And at that point, we'll fire up the car, and then I'll go boom, and then he's gonna be like, "What are you doing in my Impala?" Then we're gonna be like, "Here it is." He might go drive it in the rain. I don't know, maybe. Who knows?
I mean,
It's up to him.
Mark likes a good little bit of rain. When he had his Impala back in high school, he was, so that would have been in the 90s. He was drifting before drifting was cool, and it's pretty fun to see one of these big old long mamba jambas hanging her sideways through the in-town neighborhoods. So we're gonna have to get Mark out drifting again.
Oh yeah.
I think we're done for now. We just wait till they get home. All right, they're getting close to showing up. They should be hopefully coming through that door over there. And then we'll do our plan over here. We'll see if it works. Hopeful, but never know. Sometimes Mark likes to use the back door, which would kind of screw up our plan big time. But we're gonna roll with it and see what happens. I see headlights coming down the road, so this is probably them. Oh, nobody's here. What in the world? You got another car. Hello, welcome back. What's up?
Hi.
Were you surprised it was running?
Yeah. Oh, was that the, it was in the trunk. Oh, okay. Yeah. And the different distributor on here. Wow. Oh. What's going on? What is that? Transmission going on over there.
I think Mark spotted it.
Yeah, I did.
I don't think he spotted anything. I think he's just checking the air filter to make sure.
Probably. He didn't like how long the stud was. Like, that's gonna hit the hood.
Wow. Awesome. That is crazy.
Figured it'd be a good surprise.
Yeah. Yeah, just in time for the rain.
Good surprise or no?
I've just been traveling for 28 hours.
Yeah, so Mark texted me yesterday afternoon.
Incredible
he's-
surprise.
Incredible surprise, Mark says. He texted me yesterday afternoon. He's like, all right, we're going to the airport. That was 28 hours ago. So their time, it is +9, 3 a.m.,
Yeah,
4 a.m.
Something like that.
Yeah.
There's 4 box there, and all it is just, it's a power ground and a fuel pump, inline fuel pump,
Okay.
and everything else is plug and play. Has a little LCD screen inside that you can see all your parameters, your fuel lines are in.
So the pump is
on the tank.
We found a little drop-in sending unit that has a feed and a return line on it. So we replaced that.
there. You guys. That's awesome.
Well, you do a lot for everyone. Not enough for
Yep.
yourself. I would put some brakes on it at some point.
Yeah.
I need brakes.
It didn't go fast enough for run.
Well, she'll
good enough.
She'll
for
go
brakes.
fast enough
Oh,
now.
I believe it.
It just tries to rip the steering wheel out of your hand and you hit the brakes to the right.
So is it still using that old kick down?
Nope.
Okay.
No, it runs through the Holley.
Electronic.
Electronic.
Wow.
Oh, it's fast.
Nice.
Fast.
Dude, new cars.
Well, it was, so you put your grubby dick
Yeah.
hairs all over it.
Probably need a shower. Dude, incredible. Thank you guys.
Absolutely. Well, here we are. Mark's back. Got his car. It's not pouring down rain. So we're gonna go take it for a spin. First cruise for Mark's drive in this thing. It made it for Vince and I think Randall was with us too. So we'll see how it does now. had to cruise over here to my buddy Andy's house. Can't really see, but anyway, it's in behind the gate. Didn't bring my wheelchair. That's okay. Mark wanted to check out Andy's Camaro. I'll have to put up a picture here somewhere, maybe the whole screen. But yeah, it's pretty sweet. Andy hasn't ever painted anything before. He did all the body work, took the car completely down, painted it all, and it looks amazing. It looks so good. And I guess Andy was leaving and turned around and came back so that we could take, or well, Mark could take a quick peek. Anyway, so we're doing that. So far, boom, we're in here. She's running. The dice are flowing. It's good. Well, our drive went good, and like I said, if it makes the video or not, I will put pictures of Andy's Camaro in there since Mark got to check that out. Almost back to Mark's house coming up. She's running good. Not many gauges to see over there. You can see there, things are looking pretty good. Eventually we'll do a little bit of messing with some of the tuning when I have my laptop in here. Other than that, she's good to go. Made it back. I think Mark's happy we made it back. Yeah. So we'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for what we have next coming up.
If you like our video, like and subscribe.